Hello, now I want to show you how you can solve linear equation systems in R. On the right side I wrote a linear equation system consisting of three equations, number 1, number 2, number 3. And here this is just a different notation of the equation system. The coefficients are in the matrix here. 3, 2, minus 1 is the first row, for example. And this is the x vector, x1, x2, x3, and this is the result vector here. And if you multiply it, 3 multiplied by x1 plus 2 multiplied by x2 plus minus 1 multiplied by x3, this gives 1. This is exactly the first line. And the same counts for the second line and the third line. This multiplied by this gives this, and this multiplied by this gives this. Third line. And this is a short notation. Matrix A multiplied by x gives B, or if you want to get x, you multiply B by the inverse of matrix A. Now we want to solve that. We want to get the values for x1, x2, x3 with R. So first I create the matrix A. Do this with the array function. And now I give the values. The first column is 3, 2, minus 1. Second column 2, minus 2, 0.5, minus 1, 4, and minus 1. Okay, and the dimension of this array is 3 by 3. What did I do wrong? 1, 2. Oh, this notation was wrong. It's dim equals to vector 3, 3, or you can just leave, just write it this way without dim. Both works. Okay, I show the matrix. It's like this. This is exactly this matrix. So now we need the result vector B. I create B. It's 1, minus 2, 0. Show B. It's the same. Now we want to solve that. We want to get the values for that. In R we can use the function solve. We give A and B, and the result is x. This is x. So this would be like this. But if you want to, we now can use x, and we have A, we have x, we have B. But now we can just try to multiply matrix A by x and see if we come to B, if the result is B. So A, yes. So we say A, and the matrix multiplication is done with this operation. And now we multiply it by x. This is x. We just saw it. This is x. And now let's see. This is B, and it's not exactly B. It's because calculating this is very difficult. It needs a lot of calculations, and the computer is not exactly accurate here. But okay, so this is 1. This is minus 2, and this is 0. And the vector B is 1, minus 2, 0. So 1, minus 2, 0. This is correct. Now I will show you how to calculate the inverse of matrix A. So this is matrix A. And the inverse is just calculate by solve A. This is the inverse. Now let's see. We take the inverse. Now I calculate this one. Multiplied by B. B is S1 minus 2, 0. And this is, the result is x, like C. 1 minus 2 minus 2. And we have calculated x here. It's 1 minus 2 minus 2. So this is how you can work with matrices, and especially how you can solve equation system with just one function is solve A and B, and you get the result with just one function. Okay, thank you for watching.